Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on emergency alerts on Android. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up settings, then scroll down until you see safety and emergency. So you want to click on that. Then once you're on here, near the bottom you should see wireless emergency alerts. So you want to click on that. Then once you're on here, you just want to make sure you toggle on allow alerts. Then below you can pick extreme alerts and severe alerts. So it's up to you if you want to leave them both toggled on. Then below that, you can change the alert preferences. So you can turn on vibration. You can adjust the alert reminder to once every 2 minutes or never as well. So whatever you want to choose on that. And then below you have speak alert message as well. So you can obviously toggle that on or off. Then if you come out of here, you'll also have earthquake alerts. So you can click on that. And this will just let you know if it's supported in your region as well. So obviously you can toggle that on. And if you're traveling anywhere where there might be earthquakes, obviously it'll be useful to have this on. And then there'll be some more information and a demo at the bottom if you want to go through that. Then at the bottom you have unknown tracker alerts as well. So you can click on there and then just make sure allow alerts is toggled on, and then you can scan for any trackers on here as well. So obviously this will just do a quick scan if there's any trackers near you right now that are separated from their owner, and it'll just let you know below. Trackers are small Bluetooth devices that owners can attach to items like their keys or backpack to locate them. In some cases, they may be used to track people without their knowledge. So obviously, that's how you can turn on tracker alerts as well. So that's how you can turn on emergency alerts on Android. Thanks for watching.